Before we proceed to the computer for making our hard copy of passage plan as per our company policy and checklist, basically what I do, each and every leg I check the minimum depth, how much the minimum depth to calculate my UKC calculation, and also we check the cat joke area and also bridge wash skimming level, how much I need to maintain, and also position fixing interval, and on that particular leg how many minutes or like that, how many minutes will be the position fixing interval. All these things I need to check for the calculation. So as you already know, passage plan have different stages like appraisal, planning, execution and monitoring. And so we already make our passage plan on the Navisailor 4000 ACDIS. Now we want to monitoring this route on the ACDIS. So we go to the task list, then go to the monitoring, and we can unload the previous one and we select the new one. Suppose Tao to Singapore. You see the green option, so easy to find this passage plan. Just select on that, it automatically come, and also have some different safety alerts, which one you do, and all the safety parameter we do from the route. So that's why each and every safety parameter we need to check each and every leg on the passage plan also we need to put this safety shallow contour and deep contour. From here we can change, and also normally you can do this one fix also, and also from route also. So this is advisable to make it from route. After monitoring your passage plan, another important option, another important feature is your maps. You need to check out which map you are using, because we can put different overlay of information over here. Suppose standby engine, all this parallel indexing and all those information we can put over here. Normally in this ship we make map for each and every route, and also maybe you are sailing in a particular area, that time you can make like 4 to 5 maps. That is also enough for you. Also maybe frequently you need to check for that passage plan okay or not. So you need to select that map also. Suppose we need to select that Tao to Singapore map. We just click over here. If we monitoring this option, it will come to another ACDIS also. If we just load it, this one will show only on this ACDIS, because you already know that we have two different ACDIS, because our primary and secondary means of navigation is ACDIS. We are not using any paper chart. So we just monitoring this one, so that automatically it will show the another ACDIS also. Also we need to remove the previous map, that is Kuching to Tawau, so that you can see now our passage plan already done, and all those information is already over here. Before departure, what we need to do, before departure we have some different checklist how to prepare the ship for departure, like that. You can see all this parallel index information over here, and also no-go area is properly marked. This is for your practical use also, and also whenever any inspection, any side inspection or any beating inspection, any PSC inspection, PSC inspector want to see all this information basically. So you need to do all this job perfectly over here. That's all for now, and if you have any confusion you can write in the comment section below. Let's go to computer to prepare our hard copy on the computer. Basically in the computer, maybe as per your company, or maybe even in the same company, also in different ship have some different method for making the passage plan. You can also, maybe you have different second officer have different style also. So we just come to the computer. We already copy, as I already show you, we just already extract ACDIS passage plan on the pen drive. After coming to the ACDIS, suppose here I can show you this Pulau P to Penjarang, or maybe Penjarang to Kuching, this one. You can see this one is the ACDIS one. So this one is the file which one we get from the ACDIS. All this information you can see over here, this general information, this electronic chart and paper chart, all this TNP information over here. So, and also have waypoint information and all this position, and also leg, total distance, waypoints, then safety parameter, schedule, all this ETA option is over here. So we just copy another passage plan from as per our company checklist. After that we start making passage plan. This is our original file to make the passage plan. All this company checklist and all this thing already file up over here, already compiled over here in the Excel format, so that for my own use we just edit all this yellow option, so that automatically coming to the, as you know already, I think you already know all these Excel options. go through one by one. After that waypoint, suppose you can copy all these waypoint from here, like copy from here, so from bar to pilot station like this, you can copy and just paste it over here. So already pasted. After that is using chart and all this information, TNP information, and also fixing method is over here, also position fixing interval, and also bridge housekeeping level. This portion distance again from the this one, from here you can get the portion distance, and also total distance again from the this one, so very easy to copy. And also ETA or again from the this, so very easy to make. So the ETA will come from the schedule. From here we edit, copy to here. After that, check out the remarks, put all the guidelines and also whatever remarks you want to put. Suppose before unberthing, check all bridge equipment, main engine and steering gear as per our company checklist, so and so. Pilot exchange information, switch on echo sounder, monitor request all the time. Pilot will be on board on which waypoint, and need to follow all these collision regulations, and need to keep standby VHF channel 16, and also note is security watch keeping level 1, and check all these NAPTEX and NAPTEX messages, and also immersive SETC messages, and also check out all these GMDCS equipment always. After that, this is just our for your reference, maybe this is for our company we are using, maybe your company have different style. Again we have some UKC calculation. I already told you, I already write down all this minimum depth over here, so I just manually put all this minimum depth over here, and also I put so many calculation, so many formula over here, so that this calculation come automatically. And also you need to select either this one is confined water or open water. And also tidal information from here you get tidal information. We get as we are using the Admiralty digital publication, we can get tidal information from here, Admiralty total tide. And also we can get tidal information from the particular agent from that particular port. This is a very shallow water or maybe congested water, we normally prefer get the tidal information from the agent, also from the particular port. Again we go back to the passage plan. After that we have some cat jog. This cat jog information, you see that here have some formula. So cat jog information normally coming from here, whichever cat jog, as I already told you, we need to check out all the minimum cat jog, not the maximum one. Suppose in particular leg have some different cat jog area like 5, 6 or U undefined or something like that, so we always take the minimum cat jog. Suppose you see the here have some cat jog area is around U and 5, and this 3, 4. That means this cat jog is actually basically the minimum one, not the maximum one. After that, all these shallow contours, safety depth and safety contour, all this calculation come automatically. We already put some formula as per our ship. All this cat jog information also over here. After that, something like this, from bar to pilot station is waypoint number 1. This file we make like from bar to pilot station. Another one we make like pilot station to pilot station. Another one we make like from pilot station to again bar. As you already know that we always make passage plan from bar to bar. This is also important question. Whenever anybody asking or any inspector asking from where to where you make the passage plan, answer is always from bar to bar. Again we go to the finally we have the debrief. Debrief option is the new amendment of the passage plan. As you already know that passage plan have 4 different stages. You already studied in your academy that appraisal, planning, execution and monitoring, but this one is the latest one, this debrief option. This is the latest amendment. As per the last sire inspector also I used to ask, last sire inspector also asked me that what about the debrief. This debrief option is basically after completing any passage, we again go for another meeting, that whatever mistake or whatever whatever learning we get from this last passage plan, if we want to change anything for the future or not, all these debrief option will be there. Comprehensive passage plan, security measures, what all measures we have encountered, anything happened or not, and after that chart adequately marked with relevant information, best practices for the or best practices in for future, whatever we need to do, and also all these learning and improvement points where we can learn. After that everybody need to sign, master, chief officer, second officer, third officer, junior officer and chief engineer. And also we have some different checklist. Before making passage plan, we have to go for bridge discipline meeting. That time we need to discuss all this matter, this responsibility, calling master, bridge equipment, emergency preparedness. All this information maybe can be different from your company to company. That's all for today. If you have any doubt, please write in the comment section below. Don't hesitate to write. I will try to give answer as much as I can. So thanks for watching. Bon boys, happy sailing.